Hey YouTube! I felt like it would be a good idea to kick off my new channel and celebrate the new year with this simple and fresh look. This is how I like to do my makeup in the winter, which works for both daytime and night times. First, I'm going to start with a clean and moisturized face. Then I'm going to apply this primer, which balances out my skin tone, provides SPF, and also covers my pores. Using a small amount of foundation, I dip it all around my face to have a natural and skin-like finish. If you notice, I use a different foundation on a different area of my face to give it a brighter complexion. I then blend it all with the blender brush. Next up is my all-time favorite liquid concealer. I use it to cover my dark circles, blemishes, and the breakout marks on my nose. It's so easy to push, doesn't clog, and stays on long throughout the whole day. Then I use a translucent pressed powder and pat it all around my face to lock down the foundation. I always like to put on lip balm before I start to do my face because by the time I'm done, the lip balm would be fully absorbed and would be ready for lipstick. Moving on to eyebrows, I normally use an eyebrow comb and comb it out, then fill in my brows with brown or gray shade. While applying the shade on the brows, I like to do it light-handed so it doesn't leave me a fierce look. Eyebrow gels are really optional, but they are good to add volume to your eyebrows. For an everyday makeup, I like to use a mono earthy tone color for eyeshadow, something that's appropriate with any outfit, daytime or nighttime. My personal preference on eyeliners has always been brown over the black. The reason is because black sometimes make me look too fierce. I would strongly suggest the brown eyeliner instead if you're doing an everyday makeup. After applying the eyeliner, I'd like to use a brush and go over the line again just to give it a softer look. For mascaras, I like the ones that focus on lengthening rather than volume, so it looks natural and clean rather than strong and heavy. Rounding off the makeup, I like to use a little bit of contour on my jawline or below my cheeks just to show some definition and dimension. After that, I dip a little bit of blush on my face to look lively and not so pale. Last but not least is the lipstick, which I apply a little then smudge it around my lips. You can even tint your cheeks with the leftovers too. And the makeup is done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys next time. Bye.